Hello everybody, it is Shirley and welcome back to another video and welcome back to my channel. We are going to be doing my September budget for paycheck number 3. So this month we did get an extra paycheck, which means it is a little bit higher because we actually, whenever we get a third paycheck, the insurance doesn't come out. So that is an extra $200 savings. It's great. And then also we did have a bonus, which is $1,000, but you know, with taxes and everything, it ate up a lot, which always sucks, but it is nice to get a little extra money. And we are going to be stuffing actually $948 today. So we're going to just get right into it. We're going to be doing our budget. We're going to be doing our paychecks that we're going to be paying. We're going to be stuffing our cash envelopes and then also stuffing our sinking funds. So we're going to get straight into it because this is going to be a long video. As always, whenever we get paid, we try to get very detailed about this and I explain to you and then we stuff and all that stuff and it's super fun. But anyway, so let's just get started. Now for paycheck number 3, I got paid $2,871, and that is incredible. That's with the bonus and also with them not taking insurance out. The side hustle for this week, which is the third paycheck, was $143, which is really good, and that is from Mercari and from eBay. And I've been actually selling a lot on Mercari rather than eBay, which is weird, which is still a good thing, and we're going to get into that in another video whenever I do my monthly eBay and Mercari side hustle income stuffing video and everything. All right, so for paycheck number 3, since we already paid for a lot of our bills, we're still going to be starting up and putting it towards next month's bill already. So the house is going to be getting $218. Car will be getting $400. Light is going to be getting $40. Phone is getting $33. Insurance is getting $25. Chase is getting $80. And then Capital One is actually getting $140. I have a $40 balance left. And then we are putting an extra $100 towards that balance, which is awesome. I did take a lot of y'all's comments to heart whenever we were doing the debt update. And a lot of people are saying to go ahead and pause your student loans because, you know, I might get forgiven. And then start on the Capital One because of the interest is so high, which is totally true. That and the Chase is very high. So we are going to be doing the Capital One. All right, so that total is going to be $936. And I am just going to get my pink pen and we are going to put either a T or a P. So that is transfer or paid. So the house was paid for, car was paid for, light was paid for, phone was transferred, insurance was transferred, Chase was transferred, and then Capital One was paid for. All right, so moving on to our cash envelopes. So our cash envelopes, which first off, I'm just going to subtract. Well, I told y'all we're stuffing $948, so I don't really need to be subtracting anything right now. All right, so for food, it's going to be our usual for each of the categories. So we're doing $100 for food, $140 for gas. Fun money is getting actually $330, and then savings is actually getting an extra $50. So that is going to be, actually I messed it up already. Fun is going to get $100, and then cushion is going to be getting $330. And then savings is going to be getting $150. Now we are going to add that because we did have some extra ones. Plus 140, plus 100, plus 330, plus 150 equals $820 is how much the total for that. And we're going to go ahead and get our cash envelopes ready. So groceries is going to be getting $100. So that is 20, 40, 60, 81. We're going to stuff that. Gas is going to be getting 140, 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, and 40. 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, and 40. And then the fun money, which we have extra money, and that extra money is 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, and 17. So we have $17 left over, and this is going to be going towards our money challenges on Tuesday. And fun money is going to be getting $100, 20, 40, 60, 80, and 1. 20, 40, 60, 80, 1. And this is going to be used for yard sale funds, which is going to be super, super exciting. All right, so that is it for our cash envelopes, and we're going to go ahead and flip over to our sinking funds. Now I am going to write side hustle right here, and we will total that as well. Now medical, I started out with $100, and we are going to be putting $50, and I'll explain a little bit more on that in a little bit. Car maintenance is going to be getting $30. Vacation is getting $300. And this was actually $137. Dobby is getting $30. Christmas is getting $10. Special occasion is getting $20. Home is getting $10. Beauty is getting $5. And then renewals is getting $10. So we are going to go ahead, and then the side hustle. So for eBay and Mercari, the total, Mercari I earned $47, and then eBay I earned $96 in 2 weeks. So that is $143. So we're just going to add all that up. 30, 10, 20, 10, 5, and 10, which is $465. Okay, and then we're going to go ahead and stuff our sinking funds. So let's get started. All right, so first off is going to be our medical fund. So medical is totally wiped out because I did go to a dentist and I did have a balance because I haven't been in 6 months, and I had a balance because my insurance, or Jared's insurance that I was on, didn't go through. I don't know what happened, but I owed some money on it, so that was wiped out. And then we are going to be putting $50 back on there, so that is $50. Car maintenance is going to be getting $30. So that is 20 and 30. So we are going to put all that together. So we have 100, 200, 20, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 300, and 10, 15, 20, and 25. So we have $325, which is great. And then whenever I reach $500, it is going to be going to savings, probably to my Capital One savings. And then vacation is going to be getting $300. So 1, 2, and 3. So we have 100, actually. 100, 200, 300, 400, 20, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, and 37. So $37 and 1, 2, 3, and 4. $437, which is great. 437. Dobby is going to be getting $30. And we are going to be going to the groomers, I think the week after we get back from Disney. So it's going to be just a couple of weeks. So we have one more paycheck before he has to go to the groomers, which is totally fine. So we have 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 100, 5, and 10. So we have $110, which that will cover the groomers, which is awesome. Christmas is getting $10. And we do have a $5 bill. So we have 20, 30, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, and 66. So $66. Which also we do have $500 from Ibotta. Sometimes I add it to the sinking fund, sometimes I don't. This time I forgot to actually, but we do have $500 in Ibotta, so making our total $566. Special occasion is going to be getting $20. And I do have a birthday party to go to tomorrow, 20, 21, 22. So I do have to get something. It's like a Nerf. It's for an 8-year-old. It's a Nerf party, and I just bought. I'm going to buy him some like reloads for his Nerf gun, and I think $200 for $10. So that is what I'm going to be doing. And then home is getting $10. So we have 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 36, 37, and 38. So we have $38, which is awesome. Beauty is going to be getting $5. And I don't have to buy anything right now. So we have 10, 15, and 20. Okay, and then last but not least, and that is going to be 20. Renewals is getting $10. 10, 20, and 25. And let's go ahead and add all of that together. 437 plus 110 plus 66 plus 22 plus 38 plus 20 plus 25 equals $1,093. If you want to add the Ibotta, it's $1,593. And then the rest of the money is the $143, which is going to be going towards the side hustle, which is going to be coming up next Saturday for a side hustle cash stuffing. And that is the rest of it. But I'll let y'all have a sneak peek if you've gotten this far and you're still watching. So we have 100, 20, 40, 60, 82, 20, 40, 60, 65, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, and 77. $277 is going to be getting stuffed next week, which is super exciting. So be on the lookout for that. I'll do that. All right, you guys. So that is it. Just a quick little recap. So we did do our sinking funds. We stuffed $465, which ended up with a new balance of $1,093. We stuffed our side hustle with the eBay and Mercari, and we have a ending total month of $277. And then we went and we did our September budget. Like I said, we did have $2,871 for this third paycheck. The side hustle for 2 weeks was $143, which is awesome. And that is like without really uploading. So that's pretty good. And then we paid $936 in bills. And then paycheck with the Cushing and savings and our cash envelopes, we used $820. So that is it, you guys. I hope y'all have an incredible weekend. I will see you guys hopefully on Tuesday. Well, not hopefully. I will see you guys on Tuesday. And also be on the lookout because I'm hoping that I am going to be vlogging right now as you are watching. There is a neighborhood that is close by that is having a community yard sale. It's a huge neighborhood and they've been advertising it, and it's 30 plus houses participating, and I'm super excited about that. So we are going to be doing that, my mom and I. But anyways, I love you guys, and thank you so much for your kind words, your support, continuous love for this channel. If you are new, I would welcome you to come and, comment down below if you're new. Welcome yourself, introduce yourself, and see where your budgeting journey is beginning. Anyways, love you guys, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.